Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kyle, and today on the video we're going to be talking about the Tuffy Security Lockbox, center console lockbox for a Jeep JL JT, which would be the Wrangler or the Gladiator. So stick around, enjoy the video. Now, some of you might be asking, like, why would you need an additional lockbox in your center console? Because doesn't your center console lock as it is? It does. But if you are carrying let's just say a squirt bottle that you needed to make sure that did for sure get locked, and you wanted extra security to make sure that it wasn't tampered with and couldn't be gotten to, because we all don't want anybody getting to our squirt bottles. You know, got to make sure that our hair stays nice and wet, and we can comb it over. So if you needed that additional security, that's what this product is for today. So let me go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So this is the Tuffy Security Lockbox center console. As you can see, it's got a combination here. I will flip the combination so we can open this, but you can see right now I cannot. Once the combination's put in, then you can rotate it and open it up and get to your squirt bottle, or in my case, all of my center console goodies, including some extra cash. Now, as you can see, this construction is made of all steel pretty much. I'll put the details of how it's made on the screen now, but basically it's a really simple install that you can do in about 20 minutes or so. It's really simple. You basically just need a few hand tools and you can install it. But with that being said, it is very, very, very secure. There's no way I'm gonna pull this thing out or tamper or break into it. Like, you physically, when I close this, I mean, you can see there's no way of me getting down in there to pry that open or to get in there at all. So that is the Tuffy Security Lockbox for the Jeep JL JT center console. Tuffy also offers another edition of the center console lockbox. If you aren't really a fan of the combination, you can get their keyed version. So instead of having to have the combination, you would just literally have your keys. And if that's something that you're more inept to want to have versus the combination, they offer that as well. So basically, same concept, they just they have a keyed version. So I think that'll wrap up this video. Real short and simple. Just wanted to show you guys another amazing product from Tuffy Security Products. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. They send us a variety of a few different products that we actually reached out about to see if they would send us, because again, on our channel we don't really want to support or showcase products that we wouldn't normally use. So that's what we have here. So that's why we reached out to Tuffy to see if they would be interested in sending us any of the products that we were interested in, to see if we could review them and try them out. And so far I've had this lockbox in my Jeep for probably about a month or so now, and I'm loving it. I thought honestly I would lose a little bit of space, which you do lose a small amount of space in your center console, but I haven't been wanting for more. So I definitely think that this is a big upgrade, because I can ensure that it does keep my squirt bottle safe and secure from others that could potentially break into the Jeep and maybe want to mess with stuff or take things. So it just gives us a little added protection and security. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can see our future videos, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.